Hello friends, this is Deepika and welcome to our legal channel. Friends, this video is very important for most of the people who are facing matrimonial cases like 498A, DV, Section 125, divorce case, etc. etc. Friends, this problem is very common as we all know what happens when two people get married. They stay happily for few days and then wife gets influenced by some or the other person from her paternal home side or from some other person. She goes to her paternal home and stays there only and she doesn't come back. Even when her husband tries to get her back to her matrimonial house, but she refuses. She stays there without any reason. Maybe some person from her paternal home influences her by saying that, okay, you can file these many cases and you can get a heavy amount of money. So she demands heavy amount of money that I want this much money and then I will leave you free. I will take my all cases back. Now, here problem arises for husband that what can he do? He wants to get his wife back but she refuses. In fact, she demands for a heavy amount of money. Now, if husband refuses to give her that amount of money, suppose that is not in the budget of husband, or maybe because there's no logic behind this. Why should he give money even if it is in his budget? Then why should he give to his wife? Because she is demanding for that unnecessarily. There's no valid reason behind it. Now, when husband refuses, wife files false cases against him like 498A, DV, 125 CRPC, etc. etc. And she puts false allegations on him that the husband has done cruelty on her. He has done mental torture to such great extent, and she puts all the false allegations on him. But in some cases, it may be true. But if we look at the data presently, nowadays we are getting 80 to 90% cases fake, in which wife puts false allegations on husband. So we are talking about those 80 to 90% cases and not about those 10 or 20 real cases in which actually ladies are suffering because of her in-laws. I'm not talking about those. Now, I'm talking about the major problem which husband faces in such type of situation. In this video, friends, I'm going to cover a very important judgment of Supreme Court in which court has clearly said that if wife has filed false cases against husband, putting false allegations on him, then husband will not have to give any maintenance to wife. Now friends, this video is very important for those whose maintenance case are going on or whose any other matrimonial dispute is going on, because in future your wife can file maintenance case. Before starting this video, friends, I would like to say if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe this channel and press the notification bell so that you can get our legal updates time to time. Now friends, I am talking about this judgment whose name of the parties are Dev Narayan Haldar versus Anushri Haldar. You can get the judgment by this name. I will also give this link. In this case, friends, wife filed false cases against husband by putting false allegations that cruelty was done to her, mental torture was done to her. But in court, wife failed to prove her point. What happens, friends, if we are supporting the false things, if we are saying false things, then we can't prove that. We don't have much evidence, strong evidence for that to prove our point. And at some or the other stage, we do say those things which turns against our case. So this exactly happened in this case also. Wife failed to prove her point. Wife didn't have enough evidences so that her allegations which she put on her husband can be proved. So in this case, it was proved that wife has filed false cases against husband. And what did Supreme Court say? It said that husband will not have to give any maintenance to wife. That means wife cannot claim for any type of maintenance. So friends, we can see that this was such a fair decision of Supreme Court. All the people should be aware of this kind of judgment because we can see many false cases and they can get great relief from this type of judgment. Friends, I will give the link of this judgment in the description box of this video. You can get details of this judgment from there. If you find this video helpful, useful for you, then don't forget to like and share it. We will meet in next video with a new legal topic. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.